Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are final coating this garage ceiling. It's approximately 6 meters by 6 meters, and we're just going to finish coat it here, and I'll just show you how I do it in under 2 minutes, just using the Tape Pro flat finishing box, the 300mm, and I've managed to fill it up once. Now I can just run through all these joints. 4 main joints there and 2 smaller ones on the other end of the garage there, but just showing you how quick it is really, going over each joint, 2 passes, so 1 in each direction. Because it's the final coat, it's pretty thin. It's just getting it ready for sanding. So also using the Tape Pro compact extendable handle there, really handy for 2.4 meter stud I find, but also really handy for wall joints. So after this coat is a final sand, and I don't have much to do into the edges there. It's having a cove or cornice put around, so it makes it a lot easier and faster to do these ceilings. So after I've done the joints, just need to give those screws one final coat. Just showing you the speed and how big the box is. You know, that box took 1 fill to do all those joints. So this video isn't sped up at all, just in real time, just finishing off the last one there, and that's how quick it is. Very fast using these boxes these days. So quick video over there for you. I hope you enjoyed that one. See you on the next one.